Hello, darling. It's a sort of a introduction, I think, to a completely new way of greeting people in your lives, because we meet all sorts of people, and this is a story about three women and one man who is quite a horror, and how they deal with it, and it's a comical approach to that, and I think Hello Darling is an apt title for it. Bollywood makes you a strong believer in astrology. Before that, I couldn't afford these rings, yeah, to tell you the truth. But I think it's more to do with mind games. And whatever convinces your mind, if you can afford it, just go for it. मेरा किरदार जो है एक एंग्लो इंडियन लड़की का किरदार है. शी इज़ एंग्लो इंडियन, शी इज़ कैथलिक एंड शी इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम रेस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स, एंड किस तरीके से उसके गेटअप और उसको उसके अलग लगने के कारण उसको कैसे लोग अलग तरीके से परसीव करते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज वो अलग दिखती है. तो ह्यूमन परसेप्शन की भी काफ़ी इंस्टेंसेस इस पिक्चर में आपको मिलेंगे, एंड that is why I wanted to do the role of Candy Fernandez, because a lot of people have preconceived notions about the way people dress up and the way people look, and they decide from before ये तो ऐसी होगी, ये तो वैसी होगी. So I thought it was a great role to play to change that notion about people. Sexual harassment is prevalent in each and every office. I am sure today if I ask girls who are around in this campus right now, they would be telling that yes, they do face in whatever way, undercover, understated way, there is sexual harassment. I know of doctors who face a lot of sexual harassment from senior doctors. I know of that, a couple of cases I have myself come across. So, and it really shocked me to know the kind of professions in which I see that women experience sexual harassment. And I think it is very important to tackle this subject, but in a lighter way. Show it in we are showing it in a comical way. It's hilarious, it's funny, but it is the harsh reality. But I would like to say Bollywood ko badnaam mat karo, because sexual harassment is prevalent everywhere. I was joking about marriage. I said it's great. It would be great to find someone to annoy for the rest of my life, you know. And I was making jokes at voices. After reading these jokes, I don't think anyone would be interested. Boys will be scared of marrying me. But no. My quality is कि दिल मिलने चाहिए, and that could happen with anyone. I don't know who, where, when.